Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Sunday brunch Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, front post double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the waffle stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2. I have already made 152 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. You'll now make 1 double crochet into each chain across. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. These 2 chains will count as a double crochet stitch, so you can skip the first stitch. Into the next one, make a double crochet. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. Over the next stitch, make a front post double crochet. And over the next stitch, make a front post double crochet. And then in the next stitch, make a regular double crochet. And that is our sequence, so we're going to start repeating. Make a front post double crochet over the next stitch. Make a front post double crochet over the next stitch. And make a regular double crochet into the next stitch. Make 1 front post double crochet over the next stitch. Make 1 front post double crochet over the next stitch. Then make 1 regular double crochet in the next stitch. That's how everything is looking so far. So you're going to start repeating this sequence by making a front post double crochet, front post double crochet, then regular double crochet for the rest of this row until you reach the last stitch of this row. So once you get to the end of your row and you've run out of stitches to work into, you're going to have these chains over here at the very end. Work 1 double crochet into the top of those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. These 2 chains will count as a double crochet stitch, so we can skip the first stitch. We're going to immediately get into our sequence for this row. It's actually going to be the opposite of what we made in our last row. So our last row, we did 2 front post double crochets and then a regular double crochet. This time we're doing 2 regular double crochets and then 1 front post. So we're going to start with the doubles. Into this next stitch, make a double crochet. Into this next stitch, make a double crochet. Then over this next one, make a front post double crochet. And that is our sequence. So we're going to start repeating into this next stitch, double crochet, into this next one, double crochet, over this next one, front post double crochet, into this next stitch, double crochet, into this next one, double crochet, then over this next one, front post double crochet. And that's how everything is looking so far. So you're going to repeat this sequence of making 2 double crochet, 1 into each of these stitches, and then a front post double crochet over the next one until you reach the end of this row or the last stitch in this row. So once you make it to the end of your row and you've run out of stitches to work into, you're going to have some chains over here left. You're going to work 1 double crochet into the top of those last chains to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket is looking. I ended up making 96 rows total for a throw size. And that is going to be how to make my Sunday brunch Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.